Okay, so we've just finished majority of the Focus RS Fuck It edition, as you can see. So put the exhaust on, looks nice and sounds good. Put the private plate on. Still got to fix these bumpers up correctly and put our new wheels on, but we got the RS interior now, which is looking nice. Got RS half leather seats. Same with the front, proper RS leather, which looks nice. It's got a nice gear gator there which lights up. Got a few bits put in there, put the gauge cluster in there. Front bumpers on, lights are on, looks nice. That looks sweet. Got to have these on when they're sprayed up. Lights back on. One in that side there. So yeah, but it's looking nice and clean and it sounds nice as well. It's nice and white. We are trying to do these. We're not really sure how to get the best of results on there. He tried painting it, but as you can see it's gone over a little bit, so we're going to have to redo that. But it does sound nice. Yes, so we just got our wheels to go on and I'll do them after Christmas. But yeah, pleased with it. It's getting there. Got a light to go in there as well, that's coming. Ordered that. Might do those lights at the back, blacken them out a bit once we've done the rear bumpers, but yeah, I'm loving it. Just going to take it for a little drive.